Welcome. In this video, we're going to look at design thinking and several resources that you can use with your students to be able to help them through this amazing process. The first thing that we have in here is just what is design thinking. And one of my favorite things about this video and the concept of design thinking is that it starts with empathy. And so much of our world could be improved if we started by trying to understand the needs of other people. As we're exploring what are the different ways that we might be able to improve the world, being able to look at the big issues or even small things that we could iterate and improve upon, thinking about who are those people impacted and how can we make their lives better. Continuing down, for many of us, this is the very first time that we are doing anything with design thinking, and so I have a few of my favorite tools in here that you can use. The very first one is Solventine. One of my friends, Dee Lanier, out of Charlotte, North Carolina, started this project called Solventine, and he has these different game cards that help our students think through the design process in a burst. So it takes about 30 minutes to do the entire activity, but they can start to really explore some really big ideas. A few months ago, Dee partnered with the team behind Slides Mania and put together a Flipgrid topic. And I'm going to open that up right here. And what this allows you to do, if you wanted to, I know we have a lot of Flipgrid users out there. In this bundle, this topic here, Dee has an introduction for you. He has the slides that were made in conjunction with Slides Mania, so you know they're going to look awesome. And then he has different tools that you can use to help facilitate the experience. If you are a Flipgrid user, all you have to do is hit Add Topic, select the course or group that you want it to go to, and now everybody in that class can access the experience and be able to use it pretty effectively. So again, Slides Mania and Solventine. If you click on this link, it will open up to Dee's Twitter handle, so you can go and explore all the other ways that he contributes to education. The next tool that we have in here comes from the world's largest lesson. And about 6 years ago, UNICEF, UNESCO, and a couple other organizations came together and said, what are the big problems that our generation, our world are facing? And so we have things like no poverty, zero hunger, all the way to peace, justice, and strong institutions. And what this empowers our learners to do is to find what are those topics that they care about. They can start to think through, well, what impact can I have? And when we go to their website, we can see all of the different challenges right here. But when we go to their website, we have classroom resources. And the goal here is that educators around the world could all be working towards these very important, very real experiences. And to me, design thinking is a perfect way to explore those. And you'll find that we have things like World's Largest Lesson animation. We have resources for your classroom, lesson plans, and teacher guides. And this works for a variety of age levels. So really dig through here, and I'm sure that you'll be able to find something that will be powerful for you and your learners. Finally, we have a deep dive. Stanford Design School is one of the preeminent agencies when it comes to design thinking. So I'd really encourage you, if you want to explore these resources in to a greater level than what we've seen before, you can come into Stanford Design School, find their starter kit, and this can help you run through what it looks like to use these in your classroom. And they have Google Slides to use with it. Everything is tagged for Creative Commons, so you can remix it if you want to. They have videos, lots of great resources in here. They have resources for the classroom, and then also different playlists for different phases of the design thinking process, non-lyrical music that you can use, have playing in the background to help your students focus. Again, thank you so much for taking a look at design thinking with me, different ways that we can have our students authentically look at the world around them and empower them to create something that could have a huge impact globally. If you have any questions or would like to look at this together, please email me, and I'd love to partner with you. Thank you.